Good afternoon, students, and of course, you parents as well. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. I am. I'm fine. So, we are going to continue to work with subtraction. Okay? And let's repeat what subtraction means. Subtraction is what is left after taking something away. And today we are going to work with solving word problems. Okay? You remember when we did word problems with addition, and I told you that is something that is the most difficult for Thai young learners. Word problems. Okay, so now we will do word problems with subtraction. It is the same concept as with addition, but it will be with subtraction instead of addition. So if you look over here, I have already prepared what to find out. So first you need to find out the question. What's the question? And then you need to find out the given information. What does the word problem give you? What information does it give you? And then what is the keyword? And then mathematical operation. So in this case it will be subtraction. Last unit it was addition. And then what is the number sentence? And then we solve it. Okay? So, excuse me. Okay, so now if you look on my left here, I have written down a word problem. I will read it to you if you cannot, if it's too small to see. So, Pooh has 7 Snickers bars. This is a Snickers or Snickers bar. It's a chocolate bar. He eats 2 Snickers. How many Snickers does Pooh have left? So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Snickers, and then he eats 2 of them. So he eats 2, 1 and 2. So we take away 2, see, after taking something away. So we take away 2. And then the question, how many Snickers does Pooh have left? Okay, but before we solve it, let's fill in the information over here. Okay, I will put it over there. Alright, let's see if I can reach. Okay. Alright, so what's the question? Right, how many Snickers does Pooh have left? So question, how many Snickers does Pooh have left? Okay, so that's the question. Now, the word problem, what information do they give us? What information? 7 and 2, right. So, Pooh, what? Pooh has 7 Snickers. Has 7 Snickers. Okay, and what else? Oh, you're right, he eats 2 of them. Good. He eats 2. And then what's the key word? Left. Right. Left. Because that's the key word in the question. How many Snickers does Pooh have left? Left keyword. Okay, and then mathematical operation. It's, yes, subtraction. Subtraction, of course. Okay, and as I just said, the mathematical operation is subtraction. Okay, so now what's the number sentence? What numbers do we have from the word problem itself? We have 7 and we have 2. Alright, so 7 minus 2 equals okay, and then we go down to solve. How do we solve this? Right, so we solve it by writing first Pooh has 7, and then he eats 2. So minus, because he eats 2, so take away 2 from 7. And then answer, Pooh has 7 minus 2 is 5. He has 5 left. Okay, so that is how we solve the equation, the math. Okay? Alright, good. Now let's look in the book. Okay, I will change the camera angle, so I will see you on page 82 and 83 in the book. Okay? Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay, hello again. So, page 82 please. So, here we have an example, solve word problems. So this is almost the same as I showed you on the board. Let's read it together. Peter has 5 pencils. He gives City 2 pencils. How many pencils does Peter have left? So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils. So question, how many pencils does Peter have left? Given information, Peter has 5 pencils. He gives City 2 pencils. And then we plan. Keyword left. Mathematical operation, subtraction. Number sentence, 5 minus 2, because he has 5 and then he give 2 away. He gives City 2. So Peter has 5 pencils. He gives City 2 pencils. So minus, because he gives them away. Then Peter has 3 pencils left. Sorry, you couldn't see. 3 pencils left. And then, so the answer is Peter has 3 pencils left. And then you can check the answer if you want. Check the answer. 3 is smaller than 5. So the answer is reasonable. Okay? We'll do one more together. Okay? So, number 2 here. Peter has 8 marbles. He gives Ravi 2 marbles. How many marbles does Peter have left? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marbles, and then we cross out 2 because he gives 2 to Ravi. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. Answer, Peter has 6 marbles left. Okay, so let's do another one together. Okay, let's have fun. Number 1. So use blocks or cubes to show the subtraction. Okay, so word problem. Chai has 8 rambutans. He eats 6 of the rambutans. How many rambutans does he have left? So the cubes here, or the blocks, they represent rambutans. So no picture of rambutans. I have pictures of cubes instead. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes, 8 rambutans. Okay, right. So 8 rambutans minus 6, because he eats 6 of them. So what is that? 8 minus 6? Alright, that's 2. So he has 2 rambutans left. And if we're going to use number bonds, then a total of 8. Total of 8. The whole is 8. and then he eats 6. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. So the other part is 2. Okay? And then word problem number 2. Joni has 9 apples. 2 of them are green apples and the rest are red apples. How many red apples does Joni have? Okay, so you have 3 pages of homework. 86 here, 86, 85, 85 here, and 84, and 1 problem on 83, the last word problem. So those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those 5 word problems are your homework. So please do the 5 word problems as homework. I will not give you any worksheets today, only exercises in the book. Alright? Good. So, I hope you can solve these problems, and that is all for today. That's all for this video clip. Okay? Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.